best NFTs to buy in 2024. When looking for the best non-fungible tokens or NFTs to buy, you have to consider multiple factors. Is the art good? Is there any utility beyond just being a simple JPG? Two of the most important factors to weigh in, though, are the community and the team leading the project. Keep in mind, the NFT world is highly unpredictable, and you should do your own research before spending your hard-earned money. Now, the 10 best NFTs to buy. I rounded up the 10 best NFTs to buy that tick all the boxes. First one is TG Casino. Hardcore NFTs grant you exclusive rewards and credits in TG Casino. Next one is Hypenote. Earn profit share from the first AI-powered crypto casino. Next one is Fragana. New Solana-based meme collection with 5,555 humanoid frogs. Next one is Tensorians. The PFP collection from the largest NFT marketplace on Solana, Mavia Land. 9 NFTs from the play-to-earn game Heroes of Mavia. Gods Unchained cards. Trading cards NFT games similar to Hearthstone and MTG. Doppio. Unique PFP collection with the highest trading volume on Avalanche. Star Class, AAA play-to-earn game with a fully unchained economy. Runestone, Bitcoin NFTs in the Ordinals ecosystem using inscription. Axie Infinity, NFT collections from one of the first play-to-earn games. How I rank the best NFTs to invest in. To identify the best NFTs to invest in, I evaluated several factors that can impact the success of a project. Here I explain those ranking factors. First one, trading volume. This is often a reliable indicator of an NFT's liquidity and demand. If the liquidity is low, it means you would have a hard time selling your NFT whenever you want to offload it. I compared all-time trading volume on exchanges such as OpenSea or Magic Eden when selecting the best NFTs to invest in. Next one is collection popularity. I examined the community surrounding these collections on social media platforms, especially Twitter and Discord, gauging their size, engagement, and overall enthusiasm for the project. More popular collections are likely to have more liquidity in the market, and those that are popular now are more likely to be popular in the future. Next factor is team expertise. I examined the development teams, assessing their experience, track record, and commitment to the project's success. If a team has prior success in the NFT space, we can often be confident that their experience and expertise will reflect in the success of their new venture. Next factor is utility. Considering that most cryptos and NFTs nowadays are purely speculative, some projects have emerged as real-world asset tokens, which are converting real physical assets such as art or real estate and precious metals into online tokens that can be traded on blockchain. Beyond their beautiful appearance, NFTs with utility tend to have long-term value. This includes the option to stake your NFT to earn token rewards, the potential for future airdrops, or using your NFTs to get access to exclusive perks, content, or events. Collections focused only on being profile pictures tend to drop off after a while. Next factor is rarity or exclusivity. This is often a factor when buying individual NFTs from a collection, as the rarer an NFT is, the more valuable it is. However, the rarity factor or exclusivity can also be applied to whole NFT collection. If an NFT collection is not limited to a particular number of NFTs, then anyone can mint one or buy one and become a member. Exclusivity is a big selling point of some of the biggest NFT collections, such as boarding yacht club and will continue to be so for some time. Therefore, NFT collections that have a maximum number of NFTs available will always rank higher. Next factor is market trends. As with most markets, the NFT market goes through different trends, and the trading activity of certain types of NFTs rises and falls with these market trends. When evaluating the best NFTs for April 2024, I looked at the overall market sentiment and then how different types of NFTs were doing under the current market to make sure I picked the NFTs that were hottest right now. I will take a closer look at each collection based on hype and sales volumes and tell you more about each of them later. So don't forget to check out our channel later for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more.